Welcome to Affiliate Marketing 101. This is the basics, the beginning, the general overview of what affiliate marketing is. And welcome to the group first and foremost. Let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is when you promote another company's product, and when somebody buys that product through your promotion or your affiliate link, you then get a commission. In this case, there could be up to 4 parties involved in this transaction. One is the merchant, the person or the business whose products you promote. For example, let's say Amazon or Under Armour, right? Let's say you're an athlete and you have really good gear, and your teammates or friends always say like, "Wow, what headband is that? What shorts do you use? Like what products are you buying?" You say, "Oh," and you send them links to your to the products that you buy, but you send them your affiliate links because you are an affiliate of Under Armour or Nike or whatever it may be. And this can go with pretty much any brand out there that you can think of has an affiliate program. The second is the affiliate. That would be you, the one that promotes the product. The third is a network. This network, it's like a software or a database that connects merchants with affiliates. An example of this would be clickbank.com, which is one of the, if not the top affiliate network that's available actually. And what they do is you go to clickbank.com and they have a bunch of different industries, and within each industry, they have hundreds of affiliate products that you can promote. And the last is the consumer that purchases the end product. So you are the affiliate and you are promoting the product or sending that affiliate link to the consumer. So why choose affiliate marketing? There are so many other business opportunities. There's a lot of other online business, opportunities that are available. Why choose affiliate marketing? The first reason is you do not have to create a product. A lot of these, online businesses, such as, drop shipping stores, Amazon stores, e-commerce in general, you have to create a product. You have to hold inventory, neither of which you have to do for affiliate marketing. The third is you're not responsible for fulfillment or delivery of this product because you're not holding the inventory. It's not your product. You're simply referring it to somebody else. So when you send that Nike link or that Amazon link of the product that you purchase and you like to your friend, for example, right, and they order it, Amazon or Nike is responsible for the fulfillment and delivery, not yourself. So with this being said, it allows you to get started with no experience because you don't have to go through those steps and those complex situations to actually create a product, hold inventory, find a distributor, find a manufacturer of the goods, and do all that, not to mention being responsible for the fulfillment, dealing with customer service. With affiliate marketing, you get started again with no experience without having to do any of the above. With that being said, it allows you to start again with zero to low startup cost, because to sell said hat or said product that you're referring, all you have to do is sign up for Amazon, Nike, Under Armour, Polo, their affiliate program, and send that affiliate link to a friend or to your community, to your group, to your following, whatever it may be. And that's essentially free. So all you have to do is sign up and send that to the end user or the consumer, and you can start getting paid. You don't have to limit yourself to one niche because, again, of the simplicity of not having to go through all the above steps. You don't have to create the infrastructure for all of these different industries. You can simply just say, hey, I'm using this. This made me successful. I like this product. It helps me run faster. It helps me, breathe or whatever it may be. I like this product. Go check it out. So you don't have to limit yourself. And it offers very high income potential because of this. You don't have to limit yourself. You don't have to, hold yourself down to one industry, one niche. And also you can sell things like hats. You could sell things like Amazon products. But on the other hand, you can also sell high ticket products too. You could sell things like coaching packages. You could sell travel packages. I mean, anything that you think of, anything that you buy, you could sell as an affiliate, literally. So if you have a vacation package that costs you $8,000, you can literally become an affiliate for example, one is called Sandals. You can become an affiliate for them, and you can send that link to your friend or your relative or somebody else that you know wants to go on vacation, and they can purchase through it, and you're an affiliate. So you could sell things as low as $50, get 10%, or $5,000 and get 10, 20, 30, 40%, especially with things like, software and things like courses. They have much higher percentage or affiliate commission percentages. So very high income potential in this business model. And with this being said, you could get started as soon as today. Again, going back, I feel like every step it just repeats because it's the simplicity of it, right? Get started as soon as today. You bought a t-shirt yesterday that you really liked. Your friend's looking for a new t-shirt for the gym. Hey, Tom, I just bought this shirt. Sign up for Under Armour's affiliate program. Send it over to your friend Tom. He buys it. You'll make 10, 15% of the shirt. So it's that easy. And that is pretty much the overview, the high level breakdown of what affiliate marketing is, why you should choose it as a beginner, and just in general, because it's the least intensive as far as complexity of actually creating products, holding inventory, and all that good stuff. So I'm sure you have tons of questions. In this group, I plan to be very interactive, so I highly recommend you to post questions in the comments. Don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help. And there will be further modules as well to go over each of these individual steps. So with that being said, let's move on to step one.